Welcome to redefining your role as a leader in the new world. How's that? Or embracing your empowered, expanded role as a leader in the new world. We all have all of the chart. And when we study circuitry, we have a tendency to get so caught up in our definition. I have this, I have that. I don't have this, I don't have that. You have all of it. Just like you have the entire human genome in your cells, okay? You have all of it. You're just not expressing all of it in the same way, but you're experiencing all of it. It's going to serve you to explore these themes from your own perspective as part of your study. A rising tide lifts all boats. And a lot of what you are doing is not only giving your clients language, you're giving them energy. You're giving them a transmission. And when you are more clear about who you are and you are carrying that energy at the highest potential for yourself, you're creating more space for you to lift your clients up. And it allows you to see your clients better. It allows you to get better perspective on what they need. It allows you to get your own stuff out of the way as much as you can and to really connect with your client on the highest level possible. So do this for yourself and do this for your clients. It'll also help you understand yourself.